Have you ever heard about what ambient temperature controlled, or have you ever heard of a shipper mention a truck that has ambient temperature control? So what does it mean? It's pretty much a box truck that is not refrigerated. It just means that whatever food grade shipment that you're moving requires a box truck like this that is just controlled by its regular natural temperature within the cargo, so within the box. So it doesn't require a refrigeration that is controlled by a temperature system, right? It just means your natural truck's temperature. So if you ever heard of ambient temperature, just know that it's just your natural temperature that's within your box truck.